We're back at it and we're filming at Home Depot. So here we are at the shaded area plants. We have some alocasias, looks like some Dracaena, some monstera, and a whole bunch of bromeliads here. We have some more house plants and some beautiful orchids. Look at that, that's so pretty. Look at these colors, they're so pretty. Smaller bromeliads. They have some more potting mixes over here. I'm looking for the sphagnum moss because I need to plant up some of my orchids, which is a new video coming out. So here's the orchids and the shaded plants. Here we have a more curcuma. This is the more ornamental ginger type. They have these huge alocasias, some beautiful ground orchids, some ruella right here, Mexican petunia. This is for outdoor sun. They have some heliconia, some sedum, some planters, some snake plants, some more palms. They have some begonias, all different colors. We have some black flamingo plants here, all different types. Here we have some crown of thorns. I don't really like these plants because they're really thorny. Looks like some aloe vera, some cactus. Some of these plants, I've seen a lot of gardeners, cordon. I see a lot of gardeners use this for landscaping. Oh, we have some proven winter plants here. We have some sedum. Never really seen this one before. Spikes, this is called spikes. Looks like we have some asparagus ferns, some Blew My Mind evolvulus. This is actually a pretty cute plant. Looks like a type of ficus. Some succulents. Some crotons, some umbrella plants, some plugs, some more succulents, some more red tie sisters, some more cactus. Looks like this is the Blew My Mind evolvulus right here in baskets. Some vinca. And they have zinnias. We're gonna go over there. Some more annuals here. Got one of my favorites, the wishbone flower. More vincas. They have some early chrysanthemums here, some different types of lemons here. I believe this is my pink lemonade tree right here, but my main focus is right here. I really love these plants. They grow super well here, so I'm gonna get a couple of these. So back over here, they have some multiple fruit trees. They have oranges, limes, different types of citruses, pineapples. Looks like some dragon fruit back there, bananas, some grapefruit, a big fig tree. Let's see, they have an olive tree. They look like, what is this? Plumeria. They have some plumeria, palms, impatiens. A big orange tree. We're gonna go that way in a second, but we're gonna look at the vegetables. So real quickly, I picked up 4 tomatoes. No, I don't recommend buying these types, but I am kind of impatient, so I bought some. So I bought some Husky Red. They have some Husky Reds. They have some Heat Master, some Bonnie Original. They have Heat Master. They have some red bell peppers. Somerset, I got one of these. Better Boy is my favorite variety to grow here, so I got one of those. They have Big Beef, which I got one of those too. And they have some different colors of bell peppers and bigger type tomatoes here. So I grabbed 4 of those to start get going my veggie garden in a bit. But they have some herbs, some green oregano, looks like some thyme, sage, looks like some curled parsley, Italian oregano, dill, sweet basil, a bit of random tomato, and a lot of bougainvilleas. They have some vinca. This is a type of smaller flower. Some milkweed, some lantana. This looks like the red satin or the Persian shield. They have these beautiful plants. Let's go look at these. These are black-eyed Susans. The ones I bought didn't do so well in our heat. Probably they're a more cooler season, so probably next time I could try again with these. They're so pretty. Some interesting things here. They have some English ivy. I've never seen this particular one before. They have some dwarf alamanda bushes, some more ruella. Oh, and they have the beautiful knockout roses. I love this variety. These do so amazing. If you find one, snatch it. They're amazing. Some white ones. some more prettier ones, agaves, a canna lily, some more beautiful crotons. They have some beautiful topiaries. Red-tide sisters, bougainvillea, ferns. Some Asian snowbush. I see these a lot here. They're very pretty. This looks more like heliconias right here. Now let's loop around that way. We have some palm trees, some podocarpus, more crotons. Looks like they have the beautiful crepe myrtles. I absolutely love crepe myrtles. More podocarpus, these beautiful arborvitaes. More crepe myrtles, gardenias, agapanthus, sugar plum. I have a video coming up with this one soon. They have some liripe, variegated and non-variegated. This looks like some wire vine. I don't know. Oh, right here, this is the creeping fig green. This is a ground cover evergreen. Some pentis, a fiddle leaf fig that's not supposed to be out here. Some finca, and this beautiful flower, which is a melampodium, right there. So to main gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. What I ended up taking from Home Depot was a tray of those beautiful zinnias. I took a pink, a peach, an orange, and a white, so 2 of each color. And I really love how this video came out. I had so much fun showcasing to you guys the beautiful plants they have this season. So please leave me any comments down below on if you want me to make more videos on this or on the plants I bought, because I would gladly make one. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye, guys.